Hey, it's Coach Jason here. The thing you want to understand is that every one of us has strengths. We don't have weaknesses. We have soft spots. Everybody's personality has strengths and everybody's personality has soft spots. That's the exact reason why as a coach, we always use DISC profile. DISC profile is a powerful tool. There are 4 dimensions of DISC profile: dominance, connection, stability, and compliance. Okay? You are one of those 4, either high dominance, high connection, high stability, or high compliance. Okay? And the more you understand your DISC profile, you understand your strengths and weaknesses, you understand why you do what you do and how to play with your unique style. We often have this perception that our soft spots need to become strengths to be successful, but they don't. They don't. You don't have, if you're bad at, if you are very direct and talkative and you're not good with details, you don't have to become good at details to be successful. If you are introverted and quiet and system oriented and not very direct or talkative, you don't have to become direct or talkative to be successful. When you operate in your natural state, your natural way, your natural performance, the natural personality style you operate in flow state, where energy is effortless and you can do it all day long, okay? If you're interested in getting a DISC profile, I can get you a complimentary assessment. Email me, message me, find out your strengths so you can be at your best. Have an amazing day.